A loyal companion. Welcoming a German Shepherd puppy. Bringing a new puppy into your home is a joyous occasion, and when that puppy is a German Shepherd, you can expect a loyal and intelligent companion. German Shepherd dogs are beloved companions known for their intelligence and loyalty. These dogs are not just pets, they become integral members of the family, forming strong bonds with their owners. Originally bred for herding, they have become popular family pets. Their history as working dogs means they have a strong work ethic and thrive when given tasks to do. Their protective instincts and trainability make them excellent guard dogs. They are naturally vigilant and will always be on the lookout, ensuring the safety of their family. If you're considering welcoming a German Shepherd puppy into your home, be prepared for an energetic and devoted addition to your family. These puppies are full of life and will bring endless joy and activity to your household. Early training and socialization are crucial for a well-adjusted dog. Enrolling your puppy in obedience classes and exposing them to different environments and other dogs will help them grow into a confident and well-mannered adult. Bringing home a new puppy is an exciting time. Preparing your home for their arrival is essential. Make sure you have all the necessary supplies, such as a comfortable bed, food and water bowls, toys, and grooming tools. Remember that a puppy requires a significant commitment of time and energy. German Shepherd puppies are particularly active and will need plenty of exercise and mental stimulation to keep them happy and healthy. Be prepared for house training, basic obedience training, and plenty of playtime. Consistency is key in training, and using positive reinforcement techniques will yield the best results. Patience is key when raising a puppy. There will be challenges along the way, but with time and dedication, your efforts will pay off. Watching your puppy learn and grow is a rewarding experience. With consistent training and lots of love, your German Shepherd puppy will grow into a well-behaved and devoted member of your family. The bond you form with your puppy will be one of the most fulfilling relationships you'll ever have. The importance of breed-specific nutrition. Feeding your German Shepherd puppy a high-quality, large-breed puppy food is essential for their growth and development. These foods are formulated to meet the unique nutritional needs of large breed puppies, ensuring they get the right balance of nutrients to support their rapid growth. Large breed puppy formulas are specifically designed to support the rapid growth of larger breeds. They contain higher levels of protein and fat to provide the energy needed for their active lifestyle and growing bodies. These formulas contain the appropriate balance of nutrients, including calcium and phosphorus. These minerals are vital for the development of strong bones and teeth, which are crucial for a large breed puppy's overall health. These nutrients are crucial for healthy bone and joint development, which is especially important in large breed dogs. Without the right balance, puppies can develop skeletal issues that may affect them throughout their lives. Avoid feeding your puppy adult dog food, as it lacks the necessary nutrients for growing puppies. Adult dog food is formulated for maintenance, not growth, and can lead to nutritional deficiencies in puppies. Adult dog food can also lead to skeletal problems in large breed puppies. The imbalance of nutrients can cause issues such as hip dysplasia or other joint problems, which are common in large breeds. When switching to a different food brand, do so gradually over several days. A sudden change in diet can cause digestive upset, leading to diarrhea or vomiting. This gradual transition helps prevent digestive upset. Start by mixing a small amount of the new food with the old food, allowing your puppy's digestive system to adjust slowly. Start by mixing a small amount of the new food with the old food. Over the course of a week, gradually increase the ratio of new food to old food. Gradually increase the ratio of new food to old food over the course of a week. This method ensures a smooth transition and helps maintain your puppy's digestive health, keeping them happy and healthy. Establishing a feeding schedule. A consistent feeding schedule is important for your German Shepherd puppy's health and well-being. Puppies have small stomachs and high energy levels. They require multiple meals throughout the day to maintain their energy levels and prevent digestive issues. The number of meals per day will vary depending on the puppy's age. Puppies under 6 months of age should be fed 3 to 4 small meals per day. As they grow older, you can gradually reduce the number of meals to 2 per day. Always provide fresh water alongside your puppy's food. Water is essential for hydration and digestion. Never leave food out all day, as this can lead to overeating and weight gain. Monitoring growth and addressing concerns. Regularly monitoring your German Shepherd puppy's growth is essential. You can assess their growth by weighing them regularly and monitoring their body condition. Your puppy should have a visible waistline and a slight tuck in their abdomen. Ribs should be palpable but not visible. If you notice any sudden changes in your puppy's weight or appetite, consult with your veterinarian. These changes could be signs of an underlying health issue. Your veterinarian can help you determine the appropriate weight range for your puppy's age and breed. They can also provide guidance on feeding amounts and any necessary dietary adjustments. Section 5. Mastering basic commands. Sit, stay, and come. Early training is crucial for German Shepherd puppies. Start with basic commands like sit, stay, and come. Use positive reinforcement techniques such as treats and praise to motivate your puppy. Keep training sessions short and fun to prevent boredom. Consistency is key when training a puppy. Use clear and concise commands. Reward your puppy immediately when they perform the desired behavior. Avoid punishment, as it can damage your bond and hinder the learning process. Patience and positive reinforcement will help your puppy learn and grow. Section 6. House Training, a step-by-step guide. House training is a crucial aspect of raising a well-behaved and happy puppy. It requires patience, consistency, and a bit of effort, but the results are well worth it. House training can be challenging, but it's an important part of raising a puppy. A well-trained puppy will grow into a well-mannered adult dog, making your life and theirs much more enjoyable. Establish a consistent routine for potty breaks. Consistency is key in helping your puppy understand when and where they should go. This routine will help them develop good habits early on. Take your puppy outside frequently, especially first thing in the morning after meals and before bedtime. Puppies have small bladders and need to relieve themselves often. Regular trips outside will reduce the chances of accidents inside. Choose a designated potty area and always take your puppy to that spot. This helps them associate the area with going potty, making it easier for them to understand where they should go. Use a verbal cue, such as "go potty," to encourage your puppy to eliminate. Consistently using the same phrase will help your puppy understand what you expect from them. Praise and reward your puppy immediately after they have successfully gone potty outside. Positive reinforcement is a powerful tool in training. Accidents will happen, and it's important to stay patient and calm. If you catch your puppy having an accident, interrupt them with a firm no and immediately take them outside to their designated potty area. This helps them understand that outside is the correct place to go. Clean up accidents thoroughly to prevent lingering odors. Use enzymatic cleaners to remove all traces of the accident, as lingering smells can encourage your puppy to go in the same spot again. House training takes time, but with patience and consistency, your puppy will learn. Section 7. Curbing unwanted behaviors, biting and barking. Puppies explore the world with their mouths, so some biting is normal. However, it's important to teach your puppy appropriate mouth control. If your puppy bites during play, redirect their attention to a chew toy. Excessive barking can be a nuisance. Determine the underlying cause of the barking. Is your puppy bored, anxious, or seeking attention? Address the root cause to reduce barking. Provide your puppy with plenty of mental and physical stimulation to prevent boredom. Section 8. The importance of socialization and enrichment. Socialization is crucial for German Shepherd puppies. Expose them to a variety of people, dogs, and environments from a young age. This early socialization helps them develop into well-adjusted adult dogs. Provide your puppy with plenty of mental and physical enrichment. Puzzle toys, interactive games, and regular walks can help keep your puppy stimulated and entertained. Enrichment activities prevent boredom and destructive behaviors. Section 9. A lifelong bond. The rewards of responsible ownership. Owning a German Shepherd is a rewarding experience. These intelligent and loyal dogs bring joy and companionship to their families. Remember that responsible ownership requires commitment, patience, and love. Provide your German Shepherd with proper nutrition, training, exercise, and veterinary care. With proper care and attention, your German Shepherd will be a cherished member of your family for many years to come. Enjoy the journey of watching your puppy grow into a well-adjusted and loving companion.